Hi guys, welcome to my channel Forever to Vogue. I am Neha and I welcome you all. So today's video is about how you can do a full face makeup using just 3 products. Watch this video till the end as I have shared a bonus hairstyle along with the makeup. I did this hairstyle in one of my previous videos. Someone asked me कि मैंने ये hairstyle कैसे किया है, so watch this video till the end to know how have I done this hairstyle. Now let's start with the makeup, for which I have taken these 3 products, one of which is foundation, the second product is the kajal and the third is the lipstick. Starting with the first product, we are going to take some foundation on our hand and apply it on our face. Now taking a beauty blender, blend the foundation properly on your face. I am using dab motion to smoothen the product on the face so that there are no cracks on my face. Also, in case you don't have a beauty blender, there is nothing to worry about. You can just use your fingers, as that will also result in the same look. This is the first product that I have used in this video. Now moving on to the next product, we will use kajal. I am using Lakme's iconic kajal here. Now apply your kajal as normally as you do, and the best part about using this kajal here is that I'll be using it as an eyeliner as well. We just have to use 3 products here and we can't go for eyeliner, so you can always switch to kajal as your eyeliner. Now using our last and the third product, we have our lipstick here, which we are going to apply now. Don't rush and apply your lipstick properly until you feel it's looking perfect on you. Here is the final look that we just created with 3 products only. In case you don't have too many products or you are just in hurry to go out somewhere, so these are the 3 products that you can use to get this look. So now coming to the bonus hairstyle that someone asked me to show in my video, here is how I did it. For doing this hairstyle, you will need 2 rubber bands and some bobby pins to tie your buns properly. To begin with this hairstyle, I have just used a zigzag partition to start with. You can also go for middle partition, simple partition, and just take 1 rubber band and tie your hair into a ponytail, just as I am doing in this video. Now you simply have to repeat the process on the other side. Take hair from your left side now and just tie it in a ponytail. So now you have 2 ponytails like this, and now we are going to make a bun out of it. Starting from the right side, just wrap the hair around the rubber band and pin it up with bobby pin. You will have to tweak your bun a little to make it look perfect. Now moving on to another side, we are just going to repeat the same process on the left side and make a bun there. That's it. Now you have 2 cute buns on your head, and I think this hairstyle looks really cute, and you can always try it with any of your cool outfit. So girls, I hope you have liked this video, and I hope that you will try these 3 product makeup look and this bonus hairstyle, and share your videos or photos on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is I am Neha Bhardwaj. You can always connect with me there because I share the latest updates and some exciting stories there. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video with some new topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.